Hi, I'm Dave from Riva Racing, and today I'm going to walk you through some exciting performance parts for the Sea-Doo Spark. These parts are manufactured by Riva Racing and available through the BRP Sea-Doo accessory catalog. The first item is this intake grate for the Sea-Doo Spark. The intake grate bolts to the bottom of the hull and it directs water up into the jet pump for less cavitation and more solid flow of water to your jet pump. This is the top loader design of the intake grate, which is not featured on the OEM or stock intake grate, and this makes the big difference as far as pushing more water into your jet pump. This will provide increased top speed in choppy water conditions and better all-round performance. When you're installing the intake grate, you will need a pump seal kit, and the pump seal kit is location-specific filler pieces that fit into your intake grate for a better seal, and this helps you seal the grate for less cavitation or air bubbles in your jet pump. The next item is our high-performance sponsons. These sponsons are race-inspired. They're used by a lot of professional racers out in competition, and they're available for the Sea-Doo Spark. You remove the original OEM sponson, these bolt right up on the original mounting points, and they're fully adjustable up and down. In the down position, it will make your watercraft turn like it's on rails. It really makes a tremendous difference to turning, making tighter turns, and if you want to have a more playful feel, you can move the sponsons up for letting the rear end of the craft slide around. Really nice, they look fantastic when they're installed on your craft. We also offer a stainless steel wear ring. The wear ring is the liner that your pump impeller rides in. The original liner is plastic, so the stainless one is more durable. It's better for performance because it has a tighter tolerance between the wear ring and the impeller, so there's less cavitation, more thrust, and overall it's very good for durability. These are our stainless steel washer kits, deck washer kits for the Sea-Doo Spark. And basically, the Sea-Doo Spark's deck is held on by a series of bolts, and you have to remove the deck anytime you want to service the watercraft. If you want to change the oil or do any type of maintenance, the deck has to come off. And the screws that hold the deck on have an OEM plastic washer. So these are very high quality polished stainless steel washers, and they replace your OEM washers. So when you're putting the deck back on, you can put it back on with air tools, tighten it up, and you'll never crack a washer. They also look really nice because you can see that shiny stainless steel on all the fastening points. Now we offer two deck kits, one for the main deck, which is what you really need to take the deck on and off, and then one that covers the fore and aft or forward and aft decks, and that's sold in a separate kit. If you want to have a nice uniform look, you'll probably want to buy both kits and install that on your Sea-Doo Spark. It's a must-have accessory and it's very cost-effective. Thanks for watching this video, and you can find all of these Spark performance parts in the Sea-Doo accessory catalog.